It's here! The Kerby Rosanes Alien World. I say Rosanes, some say Rosanes, potato at this point. But this has been on pre-order for quite a while for me, and it finally came out. It actually arrived with another pre-order the same day. But this is Kerby's latest and greatest. Has the same like rough texture to the cover. Not that that's a bad thing, it's just, I'm saying it's the nice same thing. Same paper it feels like. All right, let's check it out. I have really enjoyed the evolution of Kerby's books. I'm not gonna lie to you. Cover designed by, interesting, someone else does the cover design. All right, so we're going into Alien Worlds. Got the contents, which he always includes. Back in the day, it used to be, hey, find the hidden objects. So I was so happy when he stopped doing that. But look at these. Wow, this is one crazy double page spread. I do have a little fold across the top of my page, but not a big issue. But this, yeah, that'd be so cool. Oh my gosh. Never mind, look at this double page spread. Holy shamoly. I'll be working on this for decades. But like, you could make this as colorful as you want. Oh wow. Kerby has gone double page spread heavy. Oh wow. Actually, I think these ones are separate. Yep, okay. We're on separate pages now. Whew. But those first two, whoa, that is so cool and so freaky. I'm not really into aliens and anything creepy, so I'm gonna be coloring this very colorful and positive and not, you know, not creepy. Oh, this one is so fun. Imagine if you did this like an all in just like pinks and purples. Who says I can't? The galaxy can be pink and purple, right? This big old alien doodad here that's like half dragon or something, or is a dragon, I don't know, alien dragon. I could totally make him like hot pink. Tone him down. This is so neat. Oh, I like this one. I did not flip through this before showing you guys, so I am looking at it with you guys. Feel free to mute me and speed it up if you don't like the commentary, but all of my flip throughs have commentary. Wow. Gosh, the imagination of this guy is insane. Like, and I mean that in a good way. It's just like, wow. Ooh, that's pretty cool. I'm just looking at some of these double page spreads and going, what would I start with? I mean, even this single page or this one, holy man. Oh, I've always wanted to like tackle a page with the swirling water. It'll take me like 5 years to do, but it's so cool. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh my gosh. Now, because I'm not like into aliens and all those things, oh, that's cool. I do like that one. I'd have to say this is not going to be my favorite of his books. In fact, my favorite is Worlds Within Worlds. That's actually what made me turn around and be like, you know what, I like Kerby. But it was because you didn't have all those crazy hidden objects that you had to either just pretend didn't exist or actually color them in or whatever you wanted to do. But I have all of his books simply because of the art. Like, I am fine with some of those not being colored in. I got them because the art is just, I mean, look at this. Even if I didn't color this book in, oh, he's got page numbers at the bottom corner. I just now noticed. Even if I didn't color all these in, the artwork alone for me is worth collecting because it's just like, I mean, look at this one. Holy ooh, I love it. And I really don't do space age stuff, but yeah, I like to collect Kerby's books. And I know there's going to be a Kerby tag, I think first couple weeks of April. I need to double check on that, but holy cow, look at this one. I don't even know where I would start. That's the problem with all his books, right? You're like, where do I start? Basically, I just wait for Karen at My Colorful Country Life to, yeah, color a page. And I'm like, all right, she started there. That's where I'm going to start. Ooh, this one was fun. You could totally make this like fiery, you know, like it's the sun just super hot and just flying into it. Or you could not, like you don't have to. Like you could make it, I would actually want to do this in like purples. I don't know why, but I'm seeing purple. Ooh, purple and orange. Yeah. I don't know why, but that's what I'm seeing in my head. Will I actually like do it anytime soon? Probably not. But I just like, I'm always blown away. I mean, how this double page spread too. Oh my goodness. I would run from that too, little astronaut man. So, good move. Oh, look at that one. Oh, this would be so fun. Gosh. I usually, if I tackle a Kerby page, it's with ink tints. Oh my gosh. Actually, no, I love this page. I love everything about this one. Even though these crystals would take me like freaking years. Oh my gosh, this would be so fun to color though, wouldn't it? With my Prismas doing traditional like crystal coloring. Oh my gosh, it would seriously take me all of 2023 to do this. This would be one that would be like a really long whip. Oh, I like this one. I really like this page. This is cool. And it's not like all creepy. Oh, actually, this is really neat too. Gosh, see, I mean, look at this. Look at the imagination here. That's what blows me away, and that's why I love collecting his books, even if I'm like, I don't know if I'm going to touch that anytime soon. Because I could not think of this stuff. I know I can't. And I'm totally fine saying it. Oh, this background has to be done like Aurora Borealis style or something. Just has to. Oh, wow. That is so cool. Gosh. I want to be like grow up one day and have this creativity. That's right, I said grow up. Even though I'm definitely old enough. In fact, I think I'm probably... No, I don't know. I think Kerby's younger than me. Oh, wow. That's cool, too. Gosh. His work is just insane. I mean, look at this. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Never ceases to amaze me. Oh, I like that. It's like steampunk. I mean, holy cow. Ooh, that one looks fun. That one looks really fun. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. Look at the... there's so much going on in here. Like, you would have to like look at this and then come back and unpack it again later. I mean... We've got little, I don't know, alien animal thingies here. I mean, we've got tons of flowers and greenery, water, coral looking things. I don't know, crystally rock shaped things. I know nothing about other planets. Some sort of metal contraption that's draining water. I mean, like, this is nuts. And then, of course, you got this big old alien looking thing. Yeah, that is insane. Oh my gosh, this one's even more. Look at the tiny details in this. Wow. Crazy. This is cool. This is really cool. Yep. Never Like, I just can't imagine. And how long do these take for him to draw? They have to take forever. And if they don't, I'm even more in awe, because I'm like, holy cow. The astronaut's log. Interesting. So it talks about, so each of these pages talks about like things on, oh, so apex predator was on page 13, and it even like gives you a description, you know, with a floral mane for camouflage and 5 eyes that give it exceptional vision. This leonine predator stalks its forest home in search of prey. That's cool. So there's like a whole log telling you about them for every single one, so that you can kind of help drive your, you know, your creativity when you're coloring it. But you don't have to. It's just, it gives you a little more insight into the crazy freaking image that you're staring at. Basically breaks down the crazy. And that is it. Look at that cover. Oh, so pretty. Man, it is nuts. Nuts. I mean, look at this thing. Well, that is Alien Worlds by Kerby Rosanes, his latest and greatest. For those of you who have pre-ordered it here in the US, you should have gotten it by now. But it is also available on Amazon US. You don't have to pre-order anymore, and I'll leave a link in the description below. But yeah, this month I'll have quite a few flip throughs, simply because, like I said in I think another video, or this one, March is like when almost all of the pre-orders from last year are coming out. So it's a busy month for new book releases, but this is fun. Now, will I color in it right away? Probably not, although I'm really taking some inspiration from this cover here. I did a page exactly like this in one of his other books using Inktense, just rainbowed it out and called it a day. Maybe I'll do that again. But yeah, I mean, Kerby's work is just phenomenal, so I always collect his books, regardless if I plan to color in it. Now, I know not everyone is that way, and please don't leave a snarky comment in regards to me collecting books and not coloring in them, because that is just something I do, especially when the artwork is so phenomenal that, yeah, you have to. Well, I have to. I'm sorry, not you, but I have to, because I'm like, this may never be seen again in a coloring world, like this kind of like level of wowza. So, yep, I'm blown away. I'm totally happy that I pre-ordered it, and I hope to hear what you guys think of his latest one. Worlds Within Worlds is still my favorite, just because it's more my style, but this book is still pretty awesome. And the artwork is just, as always, yeah, I'm blown away. So thanks for hanging out with me and checking out Alien World. And until next time, take care. Bye now.